Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure devices are ready. Update both iPhone and watch, wear the watch snug, and charge above 50% to avoid interruptions. Open the Health app and tap Sleep to begin setup. This is where Apple collects sleep goals and schedules. Once done, follow Get Started prompts to set your sleep goal and bedtime window. You're doing the first actionable steps now so your watch can record motion and heart rate reliably while you sleep. Next, configure the detailed schedule. Choose your sleep goal and set bedtime and wake times. Adjust weekdays versus weekends to match your routine. Enable wind down and select shortcuts like Do Not Disturb or a meditation app so your pre-sleep routine starts automatically. Make sure Track Sleep with Apple Watch is enabled and grant the Health app access to motion and heart rate. This lets the watch capture the how and why of your sleep patterns. Once done, sync settings transfer to your watch immediately. Finish by confirming sleep focus is active and that your watch mirrors iPhone sleep settings. This prevents interruptions and ensures consistent tracking. Charge the watch enough overnight. Low battery can stop recordings. If you don't see data the next morning, check health permissions, restart both devices, and resync the watch in the Watch app. If problems persist, toggle Track Sleep off and on, then wear the watch snugly again. These steps resolve most sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.